This is the April 2024 video update from Turf Equipment and Supply Company and Storr Tractor Company. Elevate your landscaping game with Ventrac, where versatility meets unparalleled performance. Turf Equipment Supply Company and Storr Tractor Company proudly present America's tractor, the Ventrac 4250 and Ventrac SSV. We are a Ventrac award-winning distributor right here in your backyard, ready to assist with all your sales, service, and parts needs. Welcome to the world of unparalleled versatility with Ventrac's unique platform, designed to tackle any task with ease. Say goodbye to limitations. Ventrac's seamless attachment switching capability empowers you to accomplish more tasks, making it the ultimate efficiency booster for your business. Leading the landscape industry revolution, Ventrac enables you to broaden your service offerings and attract a wider customer base. With this powerhouse machine, meet diverse customer needs effortlessly and stay ahead of the competition. Ventrac isn't just for landscapes, it's the go-to solution for cities, parks, and municipal grounds management. From mowing to snow removal and everything in between, Ventrac is the reliable partner you can count on year-round. When it comes to battling snow, Ventrac reigns supreme. Engineered for winter demands, Ventrac's snow-clearing power ensures swift and efficient removal without compromising landscape integrity. Safety, quality, and capability are paramount in golf course maintenance, and Ventrac exceeds expectations on all fronts. Elevate your golf course operations with Ventrac's precision and performance. Schools and universities demand professional-grade results, and Ventrac delivers. From meticulous mowing to swift snow removal, Ventrac equips ground crews with the tools to maintain pristine campuses year-round. Experience unparalleled customer service with Turf Equipment and Storr Tractor. Our Ventrac certified mobile service techs and well-stocked parts warehouses ensure prompt solutions and uninterrupted operations. You can spend more time working on your business knowing that Turf Equipment and Storr have all your Ventrac needs covered. And that's the video update of April 2024. Visit our website for all of our upcoming events, specials, and educational resources.